Hey, it's Mike from automationengage.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can grant access to your ActiveCampaign account. When we're doing things like an ActiveCampaign audit, we need to be able to get into your account. So to do this, there's a couple of different options. You use a service like LastPass.com. You can sign up for a free account that tracks all your passwords. So what you'll end up having access to is something called a sharing center, and then you can easily set up passwords for anyone that you want. So I'll show you how easy that is. You just click on the red button, you type in the person that you want to share access to, and then you just find the password you want to share your access to. You click share, and then that person will be notified by email, and they'll just have to click on a button, and they won't see any passwords. They'll just be able to click a link and it will just automatically open up. So that is a safe way to share your passwords without disclosing them, without sending out a spreadsheet or typing in the actual password in an email. So that's one way of doing it. And then also from within ActiveCampaign itself, when you log in, you go to the settings cog here down in the bottom left, and then you click on users. And if you're using the Lite account, you can have up to 3 users, and then you get more users on the higher tiered plan. If you want to grant access, all you have to do is add user. Again, you're just going to put in their email address. You just have to specify a first name. Last name, you can even just put in an initial. And then username. And then whatever the password you want, this can be set up as a temporary password, and once they log in, you can tell them to go in and update it, and then you click add. So now you've created this new user inside of your ActiveCampaign account, and at any point in time, you could come in here once the audit is done. If you're not working with us anymore, you can just click this and click delete, and now they no longer have access. And by the same token, inside of LastPass, if you had it set up this way, you could come in here and you could cancel access as well. Okay, so that's 2 ways that you can manage your ActiveCampaign access for people who are working either as contractors or employees inside your business as well.